How to make guava leaf tea? You can prepare guava leaf tea using either fresh guava leaves or dried guava leaves. Below is a simple, safe, step-by-step guide for making guava leaf tea using fresh guava leaves. Step 1. Choose the leaves. Pick young to medium-aged fresh guava leaves. Avoid leaves that are yellow, damaged, or spread with chemicals. Quantity: 5 to 7 fresh leaves for 1 cup of tea. Step 2. Wash thoroughly. Rinse the leaves under running clean water. If possible, soak them in clean water for 5 minutes to remove dust. Rinse again and drain. Step 3. Crush or tear the leaves. Optional but recommended. Gently crush or tear the leaves by hand. This helps release beneficial compounds like polyphenols and flavonoids. Step 4. Boil the water. Add 2 cups of clean water to a pot. Bring it to a gentle boil. Step 5. Add the guava leaves. Put the washed and crushed leaves into a boiling water. Reduce heat and let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. The water will turn light brown or greenish. This is normal. Step 6. Strain the tea. Turn off the heat. Strain the tea into a cup to remove the leaves. Step 7. Optional flavoring. You may add a few drops of lemon, a small amount of honey only after the tea cools slightly. Avoid adding sugar if you are drinking it for health benefits. How often can you drink it? 1 to 2 cups per day is generally considered safe. Best time: after meals or in the morning. Important safety tips: do not overboil. It can make the tea very bitter. Avoid drinking in excess. If you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking medication, consume in moderation.